Paula-Anne Porter Jones, Career, Lifestyle, and Net Worth 2024. Paula-Anne Porter Jones is a prominent Jamaican media personality, broadcaster, and sports commentator, celebrated for her distinct voice, insightful analysis, and passion for sports. She has established herself as a respected figure in the Caribbean media landscape, becoming a recognizable face and voice for millions of viewers and listeners. Early life and education. Paula-Anne Porter Jones was born and raised in Jamaica, where she developed a love for sports and media from an early age. She pursued her education with a strong focus on communication and journalism, eventually earning a bachelor's degree in media and communication from the University of the West Indies, UWI. Mona. Her academic background laid a solid foundation for her career in broadcasting, where she would go on to blend her passion for storytelling with a deep understanding of sports. Career in broadcasting. Paula-Anne began her career in media as a broadcaster and quickly rose to prominence due to her engaging style and commanding presence. She became a well-known radio personality in Jamaica, working with RJR Communications Group, now the RJR Gleaner Communications Group, one of the country's leading media entities. She is best known for her work with Television Jamaica, TVJ, where she has served as an anchor and sports reporter. Over the years, Porter Jones has covered numerous high-profile sporting events, including the Olympic Games, World Championships in athletics, and various regional competitions. Her expertise is particularly recognized in athletics commentary, where her passion and knowledge of track and field sports have made her a go-to analyst for major events. She is celebrated for her ability to convey the excitement and drama of sports while providing insightful commentary that appeals to both casual viewers and serious sports enthusiasts. Public speaking and advocacy. Beyond her work as a broadcaster, Paula-Anne Porter Jones is also a sought-after public speaker and moderator. She is known for her eloquence and ability to engage diverse audiences on topics ranging from sports to social issues. She has moderated panels and hosted events both in Jamaica and internationally, using her platform to advocate for issues such as gender equality, youth development, and the importance of sports in fostering national pride and unity. Personal life. Paula-Anne Porter Jones is married to Michael Jones, and they have children together. She balances her professional commitments with her family life, often sharing her experiences as a working mother. Her personal experiences enrich her perspective as a commentator and broadcaster, giving her a relatable and authentic voice in the media. Legacy and impact. Paula-Anne Porter Jones is regarded as a trailblazer for women in sports journalism in the Caribbean. She has inspired many young women to pursue careers in broadcasting, particularly in sports, a field traditionally dominated by men. Her dedication to her craft, professionalism, and ability to connect with audiences has earned her numerous accolades and respect from her peers and the public alike. Philanthropy and community involvement. Paula-Anne is actively involved in community service and philanthropy. She often participates in charitable events and initiatives that support youth development, education, and sports in Jamaica. Her commitment to giving back to her community reflects her belief in the power of sports and media to drive positive change.